We'll guide you through how to turn off safe mode without the power button on an Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So for whatever reason you've been in safe mode, perhaps you were having some sort of a problem and so you entered it to go and resolve it and you've now finished with it. While it is a really useful mode, you don't want to be in it for too long because you aren't going to have any connections, as you can see, but also you're going to go and see that loads of apps are unavailable. Basically all third-party apps are. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and turn it off without using the power button. There are two different ways, so we'll get started with the first way. What you can do is go and swipe up, and we need to go and find settings. Always search for the top if you can't find it. In here, you then need to go and scroll down, and you need to go and find the option for accessibility. So keep scrolling down, and as you can see, it's this green icon here. Go and tap on it. Then in here, you want to go and find interaction and dexterity, and you can go and switch on something called the assistant menu, like so. Press allow, then you'll go and get this button which you can tap. What you need to do is go and navigate with the arrows and go and find the power off menu, and you can tap there. Then you can press restart, press it again, and then when it comes back on, the device will not be in safe mode. Alternatively, for the other method, you can go and drag down to open the notification center. And then what you can do is go and find safe mode is on, tap there. Then you'll go and get a pop-up and you can go and press turn off. What will happen is your Android phone will then go and restart like so. And all you need to do is wait. And when it comes back on, it should no longer be in safe mode. So that's it. There are two different ways you can try doing to go and get out of safe mode. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again with more fixes in the future. Have a great day.